Hey, and welcome to Alpha One this Friday morning. I'm now once again going to show you how to trade binary option in profit, what you're looking for, and how you're going to take a trade. And hopefully, I find a place you can trade in this session also. By the way, talking about sessions, I had a 1 hour session where I was trading Forex and binary option. Today, sadly, I found just one Forex trade, but it's running in profit, so you can't complain. About binary option, I did 8 trades in this 1 hour session, and we won 6 of them and made a $370 profit, as each trade I did take in these sessions are $100. You can join this also, links below the video. I have sessions in Telegram and in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, I'll give a little more information, so if you have a choice to choose between them, or if you want to join both of them, do so. Links below the video. Also, if you want to join the same broker I use in these videos, you can just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also included in that link is a 50% promo code if you deposit more than $100, so be aware of that. So now let's see if we can find a trade. I'm looking for a very specific areas of trading, so let's see. We are now in that page. Let's take a look at this one. Here I do actually see something. Let's take a line here. If we can come down to around this line, let's take this to a 1 minute trade. If we come down to that line, we will take a trade. Let's see. Then we get a very fast trade in this session. Let's see. That will be nice. I'm happy with this should give us 460. We had a trade there. Let's see if we can get again. We got in. We are in there. Now we are in. Let's see if that will turn into profit. So you clearly see that every time we come down to this green line there, we typically close above it, you see? That's why they take this trade. And the win rate on this type of trade is tremendously high. Just trust me on that. So that's why we are printing money with binary option. It's so simple. You can find so many YouTubers talking about 2-minute strategy with this and this indicator, 1 minute strategy with the cloud and all this garbage, MACD. Don't use this shit. Trade simple way. This is simple. It's so simple that it's scary. Why not more people do it? There's it. We won the trade. Simple. I basically did come here. What I see is that when you have all these spikes, you see here, 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 then it's simple. Then you see what is the win rate if you put a line little in the middle of the spikes, and you see all is closing above it. Then you can see here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now 8 trades, and all of them would win. Then you know you have a very high win rate if you put a line in that area. Then you know in the next ones, for example, that come down, yes, one he will cross down, of course, but you see here in that time you would have won 8 times before you lose, before one close below it. That's how I trade. That's why I have this high win rate when I'm trading. Okay, so it's that simple. It's that simple. Now let's go over here and take a look at the trade we just did take. So now let's see. We can see here what type of win rate we have. It's amazing. So now we have one. Let's choose for today, by the way. This was much from yesterday. We had 4 trades and 3 winners yesterday. So there you have it. We did take 1 trade here, and we have a $460 profit. Yeah, that's how amazing this strategy is. So what can I say? If you want to make sorry, I need something to drink. So if you want to make money with binary option, it's that simple how to trade it. You can do this in any broker, by the way. I use below the video you find link to 3 brokers I trust. 3, this works perfectly. But if you want to use the same strategy I just used it on this same broker I'm using now, link below the video for that. Below that link you find a link to the broker I use in my sessions. I do the same thing there also, printing money. So like that, use any broker of the links you find below. But if you want to use the same like I did now, easy, first link. So, and I need to admit, the links you have is affiliate links. I make a little percent of your success. So I feel I deserve, when I find a so good strategy for you, I feel I deserve a little from your success. So use my links below. More you support me, better is for me, because then it's more fun for me to make these videos. So make sure you do that. Also, of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. You can also ask me question in my WhatsApp community. I do not take calls, so do not call me. If you call me, I might block you. I only take questions if you write to me, and don't expect me to write back to you right away, because there are quite many people that ask questions, okay? But yes, I do reply everyone when you write to me in WhatsApp, okay? So with that, have an amazing weekend.